Assalamu alaikum PT viewers. Welcome back to another a new English practice video from my village field. It's me, MD Pranto. Nowadays, I have come here in my mustard field because the mustard has been sown before couple of days ago. For this reason, today I have come here to see the mustard. At the same time, I am speaking in English to improve my English pronunciation. So, already I have seen the mustard field, and at this moment I am sitting on the mustard land, and the mustard has started to grow, though the mustard is very tiny because the mustard is almost 6 days. So you can understand just 5-6 days is very little time to grow the mustard. Inshallah, after 1 week or 2 weeks later, I will able to see the mustard plant grow very properly. But I cannot show at this moment the mustard plant with you. For this reason, I am sitting on the mustard land and speaking in English as well as making video. Though this is afternoon time and today weather is very cold. For this reason, I have brought my jacket which will help me to save the cold, but this time not so cold. For this reason, the jacket has kept another place, and at this moment I am just wearing a simple t-shirt because I like to wear t-shirt. I feel comfy when I wear just a t-shirt. So come to the point, I have come here to see the mustard land as well as practice in English. At the same time, I am enjoying the village environment. To be honest, this is a really remarkable village environment because I can see the birds sound. They are talking each other. But if you live a countryside, if you live a city area, you main listen any bird sounds because there are traffic sounds available everywhere. But as a village boy, I can see every day the beautiful environment. Also, I can see sunset and sundown from my village, as well as I can enjoy my every moment when I come this type of field and when I stay in my room because my room in a countryside area. For this reason, wherever I go, I can enjoy very remarkable. So, no today. See you again another day, another video. Pray for me.